This dance is called a kind of hush. 32 count, 4 walks. Let me start with section 1. Starting with your left foot, do a rumba box. Side together, forward hold. Side together, back hold. Section 1. Side together, forward hold. Side together, back hold. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Section 2, walk back with your left, walk back, hold 1 count, walk back with your right, hold 1 count, and do a back coaster. Back, together, forward, hold. So section 2, walk back with the left, hold 1 count, walk back with the right, hold 1 count, back, together, forward, hold. Section 2 with a count. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Section 3. Walk forward, right, walk forward, left. Step forward, make a pivot quarter turn to the left with a cross. Section 3. Walk forward with your right, walk forward with the left, and step forward, make a pivot quarter turn to the left shoulder with a cross. Section 3 with a count. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Last section, do a side mambo with a hold. Side, recover, step, hold 1 count. Side, recover, step, hold 1 count. Section 4 again. Side, recover, step, hold 1 count. And side, recover, step, hold 1 count. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8.